Hey guys, so few days back reports were suggesting that OnePlus 8T Pro not coming this year, and MaxJ had also confirmed this news on Twitter. But now shocking news coming in that OnePlus may finally launch this OnePlus 8T Pro along with standard OnePlus 8T. Famous leaker Ivan Blas shared this information about the official listing of OnePlus 8T series and two OnePlus Nord series devices along with a mysterious device codenamed SS9805. This listing is just a setup guide about new devices and shows some new features of Oxygen OS 11. Now after this shocking leak, MaxJ was also in confusion and confirmed this information again with his sources that OnePlus 8T Pro not launching this year. However, we have no idea about last minute changes just like the redesign of OnePlus Nord. We also know that OnePlus will launch a solid competitor for Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition and upcoming iPhone 12, but seems like with OnePlus 8T this is not possible. So they need a better device to stand against its rivals. By the way, OnePlus 8T will be having 6.55-inch 1080p resolution along with 120Hz Fluid AMOLED display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus flagship CPU, 48-megapixel rear camera setup, and a punch hole for selfie shooter. So OnePlus not only gonna launch the OnePlus 8T series but is also planning to launch a brand new power bank which was recently certified through India's BIS certification website, a OnePlus watch with a round shaped dial, and at last another pair of wireless earphones named as OnePlus Buds Z. So this is all guys, the latest news on OnePlus 8T series. Huge launch is coming last week of September or first week of October. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section about all these listings and devices, and if you end up liking this video then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.